See these seed heads here? Each one of these is loaded with over 80,000 seeds. If these hit the ground, I could be dealing with this weed for years. This is Johnson grass, and it is one of the most aggressive grasses we deal with here in South East Queensland. To get rid of it, timing is everything. This patch has already gone to seed, so I've left it a little bit late, but weed management is all about progress over perfection. Johnson grass is a perennial pasture grass that escaped cultivation. It can grow up to 2 meters. Johnson grass grows on these thick stalks. It has alternating leaves, and their leaves have very prominent midveins. Seed heads then sprout from the top of these stalks. Its clumping nature smothers out natives, capitalizes on nutrients, and turns diverse habitat into a monoculture. Johnson grass spreads in 2 ways, through the seeds and underground rhizomes. These plants are only 1 season old, so the rhizomes haven't fully developed yet, but as you can see, it's starting to grow these offshoots. These will spread meters underground, and that's how one plant becomes 50 really fast. While it might be tempting to mow or slash, you'll only make the problem worse. The roots will just continue to grow underground, and you'll be back doing it over and over. If it's already seeding, you'll want to cut all the seed heads off first. Make sure you bag them and never compost any weed seed. Composting includes throwing it in your green waste bin. This is the fastest way to spread this weed through your garden and natural areas. I'm going extra slow because these seeds are starting to fall onto the ground already. And while I might have had some casualties along the way, this is going to save me years of weeding. We have a few monarch butterflies using this Johnson grass, so I'm just going to cut these separately and put them somewhere safe. I've safely placed our monarch butterflies in my little weed heap, and they'll be able to grow safely right here. Like most other weeds, pulling is the best form of removal. Pulling weeds can be easier after it rains, but we've had drought conditions and it doesn't seem too bad. I have spoken too soon. Work slowly, doing a patch at a time. It's much more efficient being a little more meticulous and working a little more slowly than rushing and leaving things behind. Regeneration ultimately comes down to small, repetitive tasks. Consistency that creates space to allow nature to heal itself and for life to come back. So what now? You don't ever want to leave too much bare ground for too long. So join me in my next video where I'll teach you the best ground covers to attract butterflies into your garden.